Damn, I got a little debris in my pool. I gotta fucking clean this pool. Damn. Oh, I wish I had some help. Wait a minute. Where'd you come from? A pool robot? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. A pool robot. Let me see how this works. What do you have to do? You just gotta turn it on. Turn it on. Put it in. And that's it. Let's see. Is it on? It is on. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Let's see what it's going to do. Is it stuck? Is it stuck? What is it going to do? Huh? Is it dead? This robot sucks. I think this robot is dead. Wait a minute. The robot is alive. It's moving. Wow. It's doing it right. Wow, look at this. That's right. I got a robot to clean my pool in my house. I'm a lazy mofo. Retirement life.